Creating a restaurant menu page in Wix is simple and customizable, allowing you to showcase your dishes beautifully and functionally. Here's how to do it in a few steps. Choose a restaurant template. Start by selecting a restaurant theme template from Wix. These templates come pre-designed with menu sections and are fully customizable. Add the menu page. If your template doesn't already include one, go to the Wix editor. Click Menus and Pages, Add Page. Name it Menu or Our Menu. Use Wix Restaurant Menus app. Install the Wix Restaurant Menus app from the App Market. It provides an easy-to-edit layout and lets you categorize items. Add menu items. Inside the app, click Add Item. Enter dish name, description, price and image. Organize items and categories like breakfast, lunch or specials. Customize design. Style your menu to match your brand. Change fonts, layout and colors. Add background images or icons. Publish your site. Preview the menu, then publish your website so customers can view it.